Are you a new mom struggling with breast milk supply, confused on what to do and what not to? Then this is for you. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Fatima, a clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. Welcome to our channel 9 Mantras and thanks for being part of our mission to educate million moms and moms to be. Today we are going to talk about a topic that is close to many of our hearts, that is breast milk supply and how to increase it. We will dive into why it might decrease, the challenges it presents, and most importantly, how to overcome this. So let's get started. First, let's look at why your breast milk supply might decrease. It can happen due to infrequent or scheduled feeding instead of on demand, poor latch or positioning during breastfeeding, stress, fatigue, hormonal changes like starting with birth control or pregnancy, certain medications, dehydration, poor nutrition, medical conditions like thyroid issues or PCOS. When milk supply drops, you can see slower weight gain, weight loss, fuzziness, frequent crying, and dehydration in baby. And in mothers, it can result in anxiety, stress about feeding, feeling of inadequacy or failure, physical discomfort from engorged breasts. Now, the part you have been waiting for, how to boost breast milk supply. Frequency is the key. Nurse or pump every 2 to 3 hourly. Try to power pump. Proper latching and positioning is important. Ensure your baby's mouth covers most of the areola. Try different positions like cradle position, football, or side lying. Always stay hydrated and eat well. Drink water throughout the day. Eat a very well balanced diet with plenty of proteins and healthy fats. Rest and de stress yourself. Get as much as sleep as possible. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Spend time cuddling your baby. Gently massage your breast before and during feeding or pumping. Use compression while nursing or pumping to ensure full emptying. Consider having galactogogues, food that may boost breast milk supply. But remember, evidence is mostly anecdotal. Here are some food items that help in boosting your breast milk supply. Oatmeal, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, garlic. Garlic is an amazing galactogogue. Try including as much as possible in your diet. Green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale. Carrots, beetroots, asparagus, salmon, and other fatty fish. All nuts and seeds, especially almonds and flax seeds. Whole grains, lean meats, papaya, dates. Remember, while these foods are nutritious, there is limited scientific evidence for their effect on breast milk supply. Always consult your doctor before making any significant dietary changes. There are safer medications that you can consume based on the requirement. Other aspects to consider is to invest in a good quality pump. Replace pump parts regularly. Try hands-on pumping techniques. Some herbs can decrease milk supply like sage, peppermint and certain antihistamines. So try to avoid these herbs and medications. It may take few days to see the results, so don't give up and stay consistent. Now let's discuss on some interesting questions. Will drinking more water increase breast milk supply? Staying hydrated is important for overall health and milk production. But drinking excessive amounts of water won't directly increase your milk supply. Drink to satisfy your thirst. Are there any food that I should avoid while breastfeeding? Most of the foods are safe while breastfeeding. However, it's best to limit caffeine, alcohol, and high mercury containing fish. Some babies may be sensitive to certain foods in your diet, like dairy or spicy foods, but this varies from baby to baby. Do I need to eat extra calories while breastfeeding? Breastfeeding does burn extra calories. Most women need about 300 to 500 extra calories per day while breastfeeding. But this can vary based on your activity level and current weight. Can my diet affect the quality of breast milk? Your body prioritizes making high quality milk, but a balanced diet ensures you're getting all nutrients you need. Eating a variety of healthy foods can affect the flavor of your milk, potentially helping your baby to accept more food later. Will losing weight affect my milk supply? Gradual moderate weight loss shouldn't affect your milk supply. Rapid weight loss or extreme diets, however, could potentially decrease your supply. That's all for today. Remember, every mom and baby pair is unique. What works for one might not work for another. Be patient with yourself and your baby. You're doing an amazing job. If you're still concerned about your breast milk supply, don't hesitate to reach out to your lactation consultant or your doctor. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share with your friends and do subscribe to this channel and drop in your comments below with your own breastfeeding tips or experiences. Until next time, take care.